Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're thrilled to bring you an exclusive first look at the upcoming 2025 Toyota HiAce luxury van. Toyota has given the HiAce a sleek and modern facelift that maintains its iconic presence while introducing contemporary elements. The signature Toyota grille has been refined with a more prominent and stylish design, flanked by LED headlights that offer improved visibility and a sharp, aggressive look. Moving to the rear, the 2025 HiAce continues its sophisticated design language. The sleek LED taillights stretch horizontally across the back, providing a cohesive and modern look. The redesigned rear bumper incorporates integrated dual exhaust outlets, hinting at the van's enhanced performance capabilities. For added functionality, the HiAce features a power sliding door and a rear-view camera system, ensuring easy access and improved safety. Step inside the 2025 Toyota HiAce luxury van, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and meticulously crafted cabin designed for both comfort and functionality. The dashboard layout has been updated with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. High-quality leather upholstery combined with premium wood and metal accents gives the interior a luxurious feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota HiAce luxury van is engineered to deliver both power and efficiency. The standard model is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 280 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. While Toyota hasn't officially announced the pricing for the 2025 HiAce luxury van yet, based on the enhancements and market trends, we predict the starting price to be around $50,000 for the base model equipped with the V6 engine.